some very important people are joining me here on stage. Please help me welcome Cleveland Local Organizing Committee Co-Chair Ansir Junaid of the Junaid Family Foundation and Supply Side for a few remarks.
Wow, what an amazing video. I need some claps. Come on, a little bit more. Good morning, and welcome to all of you. I am the co-chair for the local organizing committee for the Pan American Master Games. Let me first thank some of my other co-chairs and the leaders. First, Sean Richardson of Huntington Bank. Gina Shadoof of WTW. Kevin Stein of TransDigm. Thank you so much, IMGA, for giving us the opportunity to host these events. All of us, including the team of the local organizing committee, Pan American team, and all the chairs, have worked for last 2 years and more to bring this excitement and also making this event successful for all of us, memorable and enjoyable. Whether you are a spectator or an athlete or a volunteer, all of you have played an important role in being this chapter of Cleveland history. So we all thank you for that. I had an honor to pass some awards at the squash finals. After the games, I asked some of the players, how did it go for them? And guess what? All of them said, I gave it my best. This week, all of you gave it to your best. All of you were relentless in pursuit of greatness and the love of sports. The athletes demonstrated ambition, unity, courage, and peace. As a chairman of Junaid Family Foundation, these games are important to me personally because I believe in the empowerment of sports, health, and education. Sports and competition are a universal language that brings all ages, all genders, all nationalities together, building camaraderie and improving inclusivity. I can tell you one thing as a takeaway: the landscape of the world may seem dim at some times, but through sports we all have the opportunity to uplift the humanity, to create the memories of unity. This is something nobody can take away from us together. This is a part of your legacy which you and I can take anywhere in the world to bring peace. Bring peace. Thank you. We all hope David and I and all of us, that the ones who are visiting us will take home wonderful memories, and you will bring your friends back to our land, Cleveland. Thank you.